Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, really very exclusive, bright one only for you. So let me display. Bright red, maroon red set with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, very gorgeous, looks best for your festive wear. Bright maroon red set with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design, soft lightweight pure handloom silk linen with beautiful Banarasi weaving border design. This one full base part bright reddish maroon red shade, and this one is fine golden zari weaving border, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Banarasi weaving design, fine weaving design pallu, and this one running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, self stripes with border design, very elegant looks. And this one border portions white border, golden zari border, Banarasi weaving border design, bright red shade, beautiful looks. This one full base part, very gorgeous one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart gorgeous party looks and festive looks also. This one also beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, pure organza Banarasi, full base part is fine checks design and border is fine weaving Banarasi border. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, this one is fine golden zari Banarasi weaving border design, and this one full base part, beautiful one, soft lightweight comfortable pure organza transparent, and full base part is checks design, sky blue shade, very smart one. And this one is pallu in beautiful fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is beautiful border design, very elegant looks, pure organza with Banarasi weaving border. This one is full base part, this one is full base part is checks design, and this one is fine golden zari weaving border, very elegant looks, transparent pure organza with checks design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material with embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks, very elegant also. This one also same material, pure organza with Banarasi weaving border design and contrast color dye border, base is fresh yellow shade, this one beautiful yellow shade, and this one is border contrast color dye border with heavy weaving design, Banarasi weaving border design. This one is beautiful weaving work, very nice one, yellow base with contrast red Banarasi weaving border, and this one full base part, very elegant smart looks, pure organza with Banarasi work border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart one. And this one pallu end, this one is pallu end, contrast color dye pallu with highlighted fine stripes design pallu end, and this one is beautiful border, heavy weaving work border, and this one is full base, very elegant looks, bright beautiful gorgeous, based for your festive wear party wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material fine embroidery floral work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding exclusive bright looks. Beautiful color combinations, very nice one, pure organza with Banarasi weaving border design, beautiful elegant color combinations, very nice one. This one full base part, very nice one, and this one is contrast color border with dye border with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving design border portion, and this one is full base part, pure organza contrast color dye, and this one pallu part, pallu also contrast color sky blue shaded pallu with fine golden zari fine stripes pallu, and this one is beautiful border, very nice one, smart looks, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, heavy border, fully Banarasi weaving fine work border design, and this one is full base part, base is pure organza, and this one is beautiful weaving design border part. This one is border, and this one is full base, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this pure silk material checks with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive outstanding looks, very elegant also. This one also, same material, beautiful color combinations, very exclusive, bright, gorgeous looks. Pure organza Banarasi border, and this one, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part. This one is contrast color dye border with beautiful fine weaving design Banarasi border, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. Pure organza base with beautiful fine pallu and stripes, and this one is border, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one is fine weaving design, heavy border. This one is beautiful border design, pure organza with contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving border, and this one is full base part, elegant bright color combinations, pure organza, and this one is border. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart outstanding looks. This one also, a beautiful one, a pink base with checks, golden zari checks with Banarasi weaving border design, really exclusive one, pure organza. This one, full base part. This one is golden zari, full base is golden zari fine checks, and this one is border part, golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi border, and this one is full base part. This one is pallu and fine stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very elegant, smart, exclusive looks, pure organza, pure handloom, pure organza with Banarasi weaving border design, and this one is full base part, fine checks work, baby pink base and golden zari Banarasi border. This one is running blouse piece, very nice one, smart, trendy, exclusive looks, beautiful one. And I will suggest this pure silk material weaving buta with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So, very beautiful one, same material, checks design with Banarasi weaving border, very elegant color combinations, bright also, pure organza with checks design, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, pure organza with golden zari fine checks design, and this one pallu and beautiful stripes pattern, golden zari fine stripes, very smart one, and this one full base part, beautiful checks design, and this one is fine golden zari weaving design Banarasi border, and this one is pure organza base, semi transparent with beautiful golden zari fine checks design, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight. Obviously suggest this silky material, beautiful golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, exclusive, bright looks, pure organza checks design, golden zari Banarasi weaving border. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combination, silk linen material, pure handloom silk linen with Banarasi weaving border design, very nice one, elegant color combinations, beautiful one, golden zari weaving border. This one full base part, and this one is border portion, golden zari fine weaving design border, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine weaving design pallu, and this one full base part, fully golden zari fine weaving border design, and this one is full base part, silk linen, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom silk linen material, and this one running blouse piece, same body set with border, and I will suggest this silk material embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one is border, and this one is full base part. This one also very smart, trendy looks, beautiful color combinations also, silk linen material with design, golden zari fine weaving border design, and this one full base part, beautiful multi-color weaving buta design. This one is border portion, golden zari fine Banarasi weaving border, and this one full base part. This one is pallu, silver and golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full piece part, silk clean material, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and this one is full piece. Very nice one, elegant, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, and this one is fine weaving golden zari Banarosi buta. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Also, very smart, trendy looks. Let me open beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful batik printed one. This one, full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane, silver zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one. Very nice one, smart, trendy looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes pattern with beautiful batik printed one. Smart, elegant looks. Navy blue base with beautiful hand batik print. This one is full base part, fully batik printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu. Very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. This one also same material, different prints, different color and printed, natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful batik printed one, silver zari border, and this one full base part, beautiful batik printed, beautiful color combinations also. This one full base part, this one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful hand batik printed pallu. Fully hand batik print, very nice one, smart, trendy, exclusive look, silver zari border, base is natural fabric lane by lane. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, also same material, natural fabric lane by lane, silver zari border, contrast piping with beautiful hand batik print. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, and this one is silver zari border, and this one is full base fully printed running blouse piece, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes with beautiful batik printed. Very nice one, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks. Also same material, beautiful color combination, natural fabric lane by lane with silver zari border, and fully hand batik print, beautiful color combination. This one full base part, very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one is full piece, this one is running blouse piece, silver zari border, and this one is pallu. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with silver zari fine stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu. And this one is full piece, beautiful color combinations, very smart one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Very trendy one. This one also beautiful one, baby pink base, natural fabric lane by lane, silver zari border with beautiful hand batik print, contrast color piping, very nice look, smart one. This one full base part, this one is beautiful hand batik printed one, full base, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, same silver zari fine stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu. And this one is full piece, very smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this one for your trendy, smart, outstanding daily looks, office looks, very smart one. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, bright color, bottle green shade, golden zari, heavy work. This one is border portions, heavy fine golden zari work, heavy work, and this one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, and border portion is fine weaving work, and this one no pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari Banarasi weaving pallu, heavy work, and base is organza. This one is border, heavy worked border. Very smart, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your festival. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Enjoy your festival. Thank you so much.